Downed trees and power lines, a familiar sight in our region the last few weeks, and one we're expecting to see again tomorrow with more high winds in the forecast.
It almost feels like the same storm, but some of our customers were out for about 24 hours.
West Penn Power worked to restore more than 50,000 customers last weekend. Today's rain only adding to their concern.
It softens up the roots around these trees, especially pine trees, and when those gusts come, it's easier to topple these trees in whole rather than just having branches come down because they can't anchor in the soup.
If the power does go out, experts say customers need to be prepared. Crews aren't able to fix lines when the wind is over 40 miles per hour. And when the work does get going, it could be some time before they get to your street.
We work to focus on our critical customers first, the EMS, fire, the hospitals, the health systems, the water treatment facilities. And then we move down to larger circuits that are covering more people.
So here's what you can do. Keep your phone charged, have some flashlights handy, and don't hesitate to reach out to your power supplier if the lights do go out.
This could be very, very similar to what we saw 1 week ago.
And one thing I don't think that can be stressed enough, if a line does come down on or near your property, stay away. Even if it doesn't look live, it can still be deadly. That's why officials say you should stay at least 30 feet away from any downed power lines. Reporting live from Greensburg, Jim Adelinsky, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.
Really important information there, Jim. Thank you. And be sure you have the free WTAE mobile app on your smartphone ready to go before you head out the door this weekend. Tap it for instant alerts and up-to-the-minute conditions in your neighborhood. Our certified most accurate forecast at your fingertips.